Hello everyone and welcome to my Creative African Cooking channel Ndudu by Fafa. My name is Fafa.
Thank you again for joining me for another episode. And in Ndudu by Fafa, it's all about exploring ingredients, bringing the best out of the ingredients in terms of flavors, and creating new recipes using traditional African methods and sometimes their ingredients. And I love talking about it. Of course, I love presenting my dishes in an appealing manner. And today, without any exception, I'm going to talk about the Black Venus rice. The Greek god of love, fertility, and beauty is known as Venus. So, of course, black rice was considered an aphrodisiac by most Asian emperors, I think, and their courts. But this variety was actually created in, I think, 1997 by cross-pollination. They pollinated both the Italian risotto and the Asiatic black rice to create this incredible rice. Now, this is definitely different to what your normal wild rice is. I got asked that question when I did prepare this dish. Now, the thing I love about this is it has this nutty taste that's just incredible. And you need little, you don't need to add a lot of things to it because it's just an ingredient that stands on its own. The first time I enjoyed this was in Paris, and it was definitely served with some amazing scallops. So yes, my next recipe will be the scallops because I'm paying homage to a travel that was memorable, may I say. Yes. So anyway, back to the black rice. I'm going to show you how to prepare it. It's so easy, and these are readily available online because you will find it in specialist shops. Absolutely. Now look at that. Is your mouth not watering? Let's start now today. Oh, nano ninko. So when cooking your black Venus rice, what you tend to do is wash it first and then you soak it because the cooking time does take between 40 to 15 minutes. But I'm going to show you the quickest way that I tend to use because I do get caught in a situation where I want to eat it there and then and I've not got the time to soak it overnight and stuff. So I'm just showing you how I do it. So what I've done is I've added my black rice to some water. And yes, it's on a medium heat and it's simmering for about 7 minutes. I turn the heat off and I leave that to sit for another 10 minutes. Once that is done, I then discard the water. But when I say discard, I reserve it for another recipe because the flavor, it's so nutty and it's just beautiful and I don't want to waste it. So once I've reserved the stock, which I would use for something else, maybe beef stroganoff or, something just delicious, I've brought my saucepan back to my fire and I'm going to add some butter to it because I think the butter pairs really well with the rice because the rice is so nutty. So just imagine like jasmine rice. That is so perfumy, of course, and it also has that extreme nutty taste. And the texture is just incredible. So yes, it's something that, as I said, it's a memory because I enjoyed this dish in Paris. So I'm paying homage to it as you do. So with the measurements, if you use 1 cup of your black rice, you do use 2 cups of water. So that's exactly what I've done here. And I'm just going to mix everything together till it's well combined. Now you notice that I've not added salt yet because I feel that when you do add the salt now, the cooking, time just elongates. So when it's almost done, that's when I do add my salt to taste. So after about 15 to 18 minutes, I just open my rice and then I've seen that yes, it's still bubbling perfectly. It's getting there. It's got another about 10 minutes of cooking time and it's got enough liquid. So this is the time that I will add my salt. So I add my salt to taste. I mix it together till it's well combined and then I cover it again and I leave this to cook for another 10 to 15 minutes without interrupting it. So do bear with my voice this time round because I'm suffering from hay fever the first time ever and it has been, interesting. But anyway, here is our pièce de résistance. Look how glossy this looks and look how beautiful it is. That moisture is just so and it's just steaming hot, and it's so nutty and aromatic. The smell alone, it's almost like the smell of freshly baked bread that fills the house, and you will not believe that you're actually cooking rice. So definitely this is a rice that is a must try. It's an incredible ingredient. You can use it for your salads, you can use it for anything that you want, and I just enjoy it with the scallops. So as I mentioned earlier, I am going to show you in my next recipe how to cook your scallops in that perfect manner. Now, of course, you would know that when it comes to aesthetics, or when it comes to, presenting my food in a beautiful manner, I love that. So, you can use your everyday item, and this is a biscuit cutter that I've used in shaping the rice. If you've got a bowl, you can use your bowl. Just look for something that's just creative and just do so, and it just looks beautiful. At this point you can add whatever it is that you want to add on top of it, and it has that je ne sais quoi look, or you can just go for that free forming look, as you can see here, and all rustic. It doesn't take away from the flavor at all, absolutely not, because this is not any other food. This is Ndudu by Fafa.
Now, if this is your first time of watching this, please don't forget to click that subscribe button and also the notification button, which means that you become part of the notification gang. Absolutely. That means you don't miss a thing. Anytime I upload a video, it's delivered straight to your email address. Wahala, or you definitely notified of it.
Now, I would like to take this opportunity to say a big thank you to my notification gang and your unflinching love and support. I appreciate each and every one of you. Naturally, I will leave the list of ingredients and measurements on my blog, ndudubyfafa.blogspot.com, so do check it out. I'm also on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter as Ndudu by Fafa, so do pass by and say hi. Until next time, take care of you, be nice, be beautiful, and do something different once in a while. Just to spice up life, you know what I mean? But everything that you do not forget to be you and do you. Me love you.